One of MainSmart's 4 modules is Equipment Failure and Equipment Failure Analysis. MainSmart also has Reliability Analysis and OEE, which is Overall Equipment Effectiveness, but that will be available and covered in a separate video. In the Equipment Failure screen, which is the main data entry section, you can create new equipment failure entries. The time down, time to repair, and the impact may be used by a user to account for non-maintenance related costs of the downtime instance. In this screen, you can also edit any existing equipment failure entries that have been created before. Available on the screen is the ability to create pre-formatted reports. These reports can be printed, emailed, or saved in other formats such as PDF, Excel, and HTML. And that was a brief introduction on equipment failure data entry screen. I'll be taking you over to the equipment failure analysis screen next. MainSmart has an OLAP query builder which is available on every single analysis screen. The most useful place to use it is to analyze your equipment failures. Any data that has been entered into the equipment failure data entry screen, this one, will be manipulated to produce useful information, reports, and statistics. Clicking on the data cube will bring up your query builder. From here, you can drag and drop your fields to manipulate your data and build your query. Double-clicking on any field will pull up any additional methods of manipulating your dataset. The OLAP grid is a display of the information you've manipulated. The OLAP chart is a visual representation of the data that was gathered. And the raw data is the underlying data that is stored within MainSmart, which was manipulated. Right-clicking on any one of these views will export it directly into Excel. Or, alternatively, you can click on Report to generate a report which can be printed or saved as a PDF. And that's it for equipment failure analysis. To see a preview of MainSmart's 3 other modules, work orders, preventative maintenance, and inventory and purchasing, please see our other videos.